Chipotle shrimp pasta, 2 bulbs of garlic, knock the skins off, put them in a pot and cover them with about a half a cup of EVOO. Then you throw the pot in the oven at 325 for a good half an hour or until the garlic turns sugary sweet and caramel in color and nice and soft. It's not gonna be bitter, it's gonna be sugary and lovely. Plus, all of the oil now tastes like roasted garlic. So we're going to get a pan ready for the shrimp, and we're gonna pour about 3 tablespoons of that oil into our skillet to coat the bottom so we can saute up the shrimp. I buy the shrimp the same day I'm gonna use it. Ask to smell the shrimp. It sounds weird, but you wanna make sure it doesn't have a metallic aroma to it and that it just doesn't smell like anything. It's nice and bright and clean. So we've got our shrimp sitting on ice. I gave it a rinse when I brought it home from the store. A pound per pound of pasta is the minimum. We're gonna add about a 1/4 cup of chipotle and adobo. We're gonna add 1 whole can, 14 ounces of fire roasted tomato. And we're gonna add the juice of 2 limes. And then we're gonna pop this into a high power blender, shrimp into the pan. Let the color come off each side. It'll turn pink and opaque, and they'll firm up and they'll lightly brown at the edges. Don't take it too far because we slide them back in too, right, when the sauce is finished. Onion went into the drippings of the shrimp, cooking in some olive oil. Now the fun part, we're going to add silver tequila or vodka, about a half a cup. I do that off of the stove so you don't get a lot of flame ups. And then you let that reduce a bit and cook out. This is a rare dish where there's no right answer. You could make it with short-cut penne, or you can make it with long-cut bucatini, linguine, or spaghetti. Once that's reduced by half, okay, so now we're down to about a 1/4 cup of liquid left. We're going to add in our chipotle tomato base with all that roasted garlic. And then we're gonna add in our heavy cream to make it sweet and delicious. And then we're gonna let that gently bubble. You can reserve your starchy cooking water. Slide the shrimp back into the sauce. Just to heat them back through a bit. So I'm just gonna put the hot pasta right back in the hot pot. And when we cook dry pasta, always undercook by 1 to 2 minutes because carryover cooking will happen when you add the pasta and the sauce to the spaghetti in this case, or penne would work as well. See, so now it's continuing to cook and everybody gets tossed all together. The little of that starchy water to make everybody get along. And a little Parmigiano cheese. Yeah, I know. Now you can also go with cotija or queso fresco, or like I'm doing, I'm gonna put some queso crumbles up on top. Crazy! Now, like I said, I'm gonna double cheese. Double cheese. So there we go with the Mexican cheese, getting long. Oh, I'll get that knife later. And then a little bit of chive and parsley. Or you could go with cilantro too, because all the Mexican flavor. Now, the family, I'm part of their family now. The family is back together again. One of our favorite couples, just in time for Valentine's Day. Rick and Tina are back with Kaiser. Hi, Kaiser. So, we surprised them by bringing your beautiful daughter, Haley, home. She had been deployed overseas, and now she is home for a nice long break, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the family's together.
Yes, ma'am.
We also surprised them with a little romantic trip to the California coast. They went to wine country! Yay! And he went to Yosemite, he went to Hearst Castle.
Yeah.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah, Monterey Bay, Morro Bay.
Boy, you saw the whole shebang.
Everything. Everything.
Was it great food?
Delicious food.
Oh, we found the most amazing food, but nothing that touches yours.
Yeah.